As survey says? Yeah!
Nice.
Number 3 answer on the board. Anderson, would you like to play or pass? Play? They gonna play. Okay, ready? Where you get candy? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've already said that.
Alright, 2 strikes. Austin, what's up, dude? One answer on the board. If you don't get this, goes to steal. They steal all your points. Name a holiday where you get candy. What? Ready? Alright, go!
Gosh. Did I scare you?
Survey says?
You got this, boy.
Name a cartoon character. Brooklyn. Five.
Tell me, Terry.
Ooh. Mickey Mouse. Survey says? Alright. Yeah. Name something you bring to a picnic.
That was only 2 strikes.
That was 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, name a cartoon character everybody knows. Name something you do before bed.
Brush your teeth.
Name your favorite thing to do at the Y. Play. Okay. All right. All up in the grill. First thing we asked you was, what was the first thing I asked you? I don't know. Name a fruit kids love to eat. Survey says
Yes.
apples. 30 points. Number 1 answer. Woo! Okay. Name something kids like to do at the playground. You said swing. Survey says swing. 32 points. Number 1 answer again. Name something used at school. You said pencil. Survey says. Just give it a second. Survey gonna say. Pencil. Number 1 answer. 30 points. 30 points. Name a cartoon character everybody knows. You said SpongeBob. Survey says. Number 1 answer. 32 points. 32 points. Okay. Name something you do before bed. You said brush your teeth. Survey says. Number 1 answer.
Remember, do not tell her the answer.
Okay, Lena, come on down. Come on down.
Why are you so close to
Your partner did really, really well. She got 186 points. All you need is, what's that?
27?
You need 14 points to win.
Way off.
Wait.
That's so easy.
You need 39 points to win. Sorry. I'm gonna ask you the same questions. You only have 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
25 seconds, sorry. All right, ready? You got the timer? Ready? Name a fruit kids love to eat.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Name something kids do at the playground.
Play.
Okay. Name something you use at school.
A pencil.
And you gotta say something else.
Scissors.
Scissors. Name a cartoon character everyone knows.
SpongeBob.
And she already said that.
Patrick.
Okay. Name something you do before school.
Get dressed.
Okay. I mean before you go to bed. Brush your teeth. She already said that.
Timer went off.
It's okay.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair. Okay.
Unless you have long hair. No, she said name something you do
Alright.
before bed. Why are you so close to me?
Alright. You said for name a fruit that kids love to eat. You said strawberries. Let's see if that's right.
Oh.
Yeah! Strawberries. Number 3 20 points, 20 points.
Oh, guys, we're gonna make this better.
How many more points?
All right.
19.
Name something you use at school. You said scissors. Survey says.
Of course, yeah.
Survey says.
Cut that
Number 1 answer was pencil, which Lucy said.
All
right.
Wait, what was number 2, number 3, number 4?
Number 2 answer was notebook. Name a cartoon character everyone knows. You said Patrick. Survey says.
Yes. That's true.
Survey says.
Yeah, that's not true.
Wait, who's Survey says. Number 1 answer was Patrick. Number 2 answer was Mickey Mouse. Number 2 answer was Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that. I hope they know that.
Okay, we're not done yet. I asked you. Name something you do before bed. You said put on. You said brush your hair.
Oh, yeah.
You said put on clothes. Get dressed. Okay.
No,
Get
she
dressed.
said brush her hair.
Yeah, she's fine. I'm Steve Harvey. You're a contestant.
Steve Harvey.
All right. Survey says.
I'm yawning.
Survey says. Yay!
Okay, I don't think she saw us. Hello, boys. Where have you been? The YMCA. Why? Because we were playing pickleball. Yeah, we had a camp about pickleball. Yeah, we did that. I made dinner and all of you got. And I made dinner and everything. Where's the dad? Where is he? No, we're like, what the heck? We're like, no. Well, I prepared dinner and everything. You're lucky that your dinner didn't get cold. Where's your water? And where's your phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I have my wallet attached to my phone. I need to go get it. Where is it? At the Y. Bad things happen at night. What do you mean? The zombie man comes out at night at the YMCA. What in the zombie's the zombie man? Okay, so let's go to dinner. She's cool. Yeah. What are you guys doing here? Oh God! We're just retrieving watching my phone and wallet. Yeah. Well, can I go to the bathroom? Where is it?
Go quickly.
Oh gosh. Okay.
I'm gonna be here at night. There's some scary things that happened. Alright?
Well, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I've been in business for 50 years. Good, you're back. Follow me. I think I saw it. Follow me.
Okay. Come on. Your phone's on. He's really crazy. Today it's like bajillion degrees outside. It's very hot. Whoa, why are you drinking coffee when it's bajillion degrees outside? Because I need my caffeine to survive through the day. Then drink iced coffee. I was. Thanks for slacking my iced coffee. Drama. Anyways, back to the weather. It is very hot outside. It's like a million bajillion degrees. Very hot. That's what I'm trying to say. So let's see what the gym people have to say about that. Good.
Thank you, Lena. Now I'm going to talk to these insects that like living in the walls. So this little guy lives in the walls. Well, I think. But and he likes to play soccer apparently. And he loves the YMCA. That sounded like a yes to me from him. Okay, now we're going to talk about kickball. Yesterday, when we were playing boys versus girls in kickball, the boys did pretty good in the beginning, but then the girls caught up, and we ended up winning by a lot. I don't really know how much, but a lot. And Logan kept messing with us too, so but that's it.
No, he's going to cut that out. You can't talk about Logan. Okay, cut.
You guys get paid for swinging that bug out.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Safe! Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Watch this. Out! Caught the ball before touch base. Out! Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. Watch this.
Hey, you hit me? You hit me? You hit my butt.
Hey, Logan, break it up! Break it up! Break it up! Break it up!
Yo, let it go.
Break it up! Break it up! Lady, break it up! Hey, shut up! Break it up! Break it up! Break it up! Break it up!
Shake that.
Dun 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 dun. Sup?
Oh my God, Steph, I love you so much more than Bob.
You may now kiss the bride.
Bob, do you want to be my boyfriend? Yeah.
I'm so
Why are you so crying? Try a dating app.
Here,
No.
I'll do it. I'll do it for you. Is your credit card number?
Nice try, buddy.
You should really try it.
Fine, I'll try the stupid dating app.
It's not stupid.
Your brain is. Is right.
2 puppets bow.
The end. Oh, what are we gonna do today? Busting criminals! No, we're not! Yeah, that's what we're doing! Watching criminals foot! I do it! Go!
Bree. Huh. Sean, you throw water balloons at us. That did. Hi, you want this? Get them back. So. Don't hit Miss Whitley. Don't hit Miss Whitley.
I got that feeling that the world can't erase. There ain't a single day I let go to waste. I got that good news smile on my face.
Be careful, you can't fall.
I got that gospel song rocking in my car.
We live. We can throw water balloons
I got
at
that
you guys.
beating in my heart.
All joy, no stress, no worries, I'm blessed.
We can throw water balloons at you guys. We can throw water balloons at you guys.
I'm gonna thank God Almighty for the good days. I'm gonna thank God Almighty
I
for
even
the bad.
miss.
And out the window waving bye to my old ways.
Yo.
Yeah, thank God Almighty, I ain't never going back. No.
No stress, no worries, I'm blessed.
From early in the morning to the crickets in the
Careful,
sun.
you can fall.
Yeah, all joy.
You can fall. Be careful.
All joy.
You can fall.
Bad news. In the struggle. Yeah, in the battle. Yeah, life will
But
get you
yeah.
down. But there's joy still to be found. You can't buy it 'cause it's free. So lay your troubles
Get
on
rid
down
of
and
it.
just sing it with me.
Get rid of it.
Joy, no stress, no worries. I'm blessed. From early in the morning to the crickets in the sun.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
No worries, I'm blessed. From early in the morning to the crickets in the sun done sing. Yeah, all joy.
Actually, they're trying to make me draw.
Let's go. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Everybody just have a good time. I can feel this, and we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you.
Shake that.
Yes. Oh.